get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. So, oh my goodness, I just started bloody filming, leave me alone. I have a very different video for you guys. Could be a thirst of something, could just be a one-off, but I basically got, let me just get comfortable and rewind a second. So I have had many different hairstyles throughout my life. I've done a video on this before, exposing myself and my many regrets, and it's just kind of been natural for a long time, but I'm just bored of it, you know. Like, I like my curly hair to an extent, but it's just not growing. And there are times when I like it straight. I think I suit straight hair. In the past photos I definitely have suited straight hair, but I don't want to straighten it like my natural hair because it will damage it, and I don't want to do that. So I've come to the easy conclusion that I wanted a wig. Now, I used to have a wig, and I'll put some pictures up of when I used to have a wig, but it wasn't real hair. It got really like matted quickly because you couldn't brush it because it was curly, and then if you brushed it, well, you know, if you have curly hair you can't brush it because it just goes. So I couldn't brush it. It went really matted really quickly. It wasn't real, so I couldn't do anything with it. I couldn't put any products in it, so it went really dry and matted, and it was just horrible. But real human hair wigs are very expensive, and I kind of didn't want one for the longest time, but then I gave in and I was like, Mum, do you know what I want for Christmas? And she come through. This might be really weird to some people that I'm putting like human hair on my hair, but you know, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do sometimes. This is what it comes in, like a hairnet. I don't know where it's from, does it say? I think it's from America. The hair's been disinfected, which is really good to know. It doesn't say. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's quite like long and it's wavy, but you can obviously, because it's human, you can like straighten it, you can curl it and stuff, but I wanted one that was a bit of a mixture, so you know, I still have a bit of volume and stuff. And today is gonna be the I've put it on like just to see what it looks like, but I haven't actually glued it on properly or like been out in public with it on yet. So it has like a lace thing here, and it's center parted. Ooh, I'm dropping my hair, and I didn't know how to stick it down, if I'm being honest. I was like, can I use eyelash glue, like a prick stick? What do I use? And then I googled that this is the best thing to use, and it looks very intimidating. It's called GOT2B glued. Blasting freeze spray for screaming hold, freeze, fix, ultimate hold. Now I'm just a bit scared. I don't know what it, let me put a bit on my hand. It looks like this. It wasn't expensive at all. It was like £4, £5 from Superdrug. Oh, it's really cold. That makes sense because it's freezing spray. Whoa, it smells just of hairspray. My hand is now gonna be tacky for this video. I need to wipe it off. So yeah, I thought I would just film myself putting it on. I thought it might be entertaining. New year, we're in 2022 now. New hair, new year, new me. Does anyone remember when that happened? Like, new year, new me, and everyone just didn't change at all. I'm gonna look horrendous in this little. When you used to go swimming in school and you'd like ultimate facelift at like 6 years old, it's like. So I'm sorry, I'm literally digressing, and this video could be a mess, but I'm gonna put it on. And for anybody who is watching this who is thinking about putting it on for the first time, you can watch this video and see maybe either how to do it or how not to do it. We shall find out. First things first is, oh my god, how do you put it? My hair's too big. Do I look like a model? I can't even put myself on the internet looking like this. I've got too much hair. Should I have plaited it before maybe? Maybe I should have done that. Oh, no. My glasses fell off at the same time. Oh no, I'm gonna take my glasses off. Okay, right, let's try again. Round two. Oh no, I'm confused already. Put it back. Oh my god, how the hell? And then there's like clips. One there. Oh my god, my head is, I think my head's too big for the wig. Ow, oh, this is gonna give me a headache. Okay. No, that is painful. That maybe, but that's still a bit painful. I can't really see. And now I've got to cut all of this up here. So, oh my god, I literally feel like it's falling off my head. I don't want a 5 head, do you know what I mean? I want it like there. And it's just sliding all over the shop. Put what the drawstrings for, but I'm stressed. Right, okay, let's do that. Okay, we're just gonna work with what we got. So, now I've got to cut up here, but I'm gonna use my mirror. I'm gonna actually not film this bit because I probably need to concentrate. Right, okay, I'm back. So I've now cut the lace, and on the video that I just watched, she like put it on her head here and then she moved the wig down. So oh my god, it's dripping down my head. She did that and then she did it on her forehead. Oh my god, I can't do it. Oh my god, don't drip down my head, please. Oh my god, it's very cold. It's dripping down my head. Oh, bloody hell, it's really strong. And then she kind of moved her wig. Is that dripping down my face? Ah, it's stinging. Oh my god, why is it stinging my fingers? Do I hold it like this? Hold on, maybe I need to hairdry it. It's definitely like, oh no, I just ripped it off. It's because it's definitely stuck to my head. Clearly it's not. I think it's definitely stuck on my head now. That's got, it looks like what, massive forehead. So I need to maybe cut some baby hairs. She cut some baby hairs in the video. It's meant to be scented because it has a natural centre parting, but I don't like my hair in centre parting. Not unless I do like a half up, half down. Ah, my glasses. Moment like that. Do you know, like where people like tie their hair up? I quite like doing that with my hair, but then it does that, you know what I mean? So I think I'm gonna have to like play around with it a bit more. But yeah, this is the wig. What do you guys think? I just feel like my forehead looks massive. I've just got a big forehead. Like that to me is a juicy forehead. I don't know if the wig needs to be moved, like, I can't move the wig now, the wig is frozen to my head. Maybe just because I'm just not used to having a wig, you know, but I just feel like my forehead's very exposed. What do we think? What do we think? Let me know in the comments. It's very dark now. Hold on. It feels really good. I quite like it. I like this bit here. I don't like it when it does that, so I want to like backcomb it a little bit so I can have just like a little bit of a fringe, you know, because I like my parting on this side of my head, not, oh my god, my forehead looks massive. I don't know how I'm gonna get it off because it's literally stuck to my head. And I also was cutting because it got stuck like here. Can you see that? Hold on, wait, hold on. So this is like how, see this bit here, right? That I will obviously get, like, you can cover with foundation. I thought this was like hair from the wig. It's my actual hair and I cut that. So that's really, really fun. But yeah, like all these little bits in the video, she like cut them and made them wispy so it looked like baby hairs, which I might do. I cannot believe I cut my bloody hair, what an idiot. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get it off. I'm hoping it's really easy and I don't have to have any like special stuff to take it off with because I don't have anything apart from like water and makeup wipes. So you might see me in a couple of Instagrams looking completely different soon, so don't forget to follow me. Let me know what style I should do with it because obviously I haven't had straight hair in a very long time. I just look so different. I can't work out if I look younger or older. I'm 25 for like reference. I don't know if I look like a 18-year-old. I don't know if I look 30-year-old trying to be 18. I don't know. I don't know the vibe. But yeah, let me know. Let me know some styles, guys. If you have straight hair or wavy hair, let me know the best products to buy, all of that. I feel like a brand new person. Obviously I won't wear it every day because that was effort and I also have to get used to having a big old shiny forehead. But if you guys enjoyed this video, do let me know. And if you want to see some more videos like this, either trying different wigs, I might just get some more like cheaper real hair wigs or like ones that look really real and just play around with them styles, some different colours maybe. Oh my god, I want pink hair or like silver. Oh, this is going to be a very slippery slope for my bank account because wigs are very expensive. But if you guys even know any wigs places, online shops that are good, let me know. If you want to see some more videos of me like maybe styling it or I don't know, recreating, I can recreate people's pictures now that look, well, I don't want to say look like me because no one looks like me, but like I can never do that when I wanted to because I ain't got the right hair, you know. But yeah, if you want to see anything wig related, style related, let me know in the comments. I enjoyed this video. I hope you guys did. I don't know if it's going to do well or if it's going to be long, but I will see you guys. Sorry, I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder. This looks so different. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon for a brand new video. Bye. Who's their cheek? Who's their cheek? It looks so different. I feel very artsy. What kind of styles could I do with it? No, not that style. Can I clip this back maybe? I don't know. The possibilities are endless.